Alright, ducky, can't shoot you today, but in a month or so, it's a different story. But I probably won't come down here then. Well, alright, hello folks. I'm going to do a hunt down here. This is the second to last day of the September goose season in eastern Oregon for 2023. And decided to bring my bike. That way I can make more than one trip with all the crap. Last time I carried everything on my back, it was close to 100 pounds of stuff, and I really regretted it after that. So basically getting too old for that kind of crap. So this way I can go faster and I can make multiple trips. Get all the stuff down here, then I can transport it to over there. I have wind today, so I can use wind socks if I want to, which I probably will. I'll probably put some of those out in here, even though I'm hunting over there. Just something to get the geese's attention. So, we'll see how it goes. Almost seems like it's deeper today than it was yesterday. I hope not, but it might be. Shit. There's no dry place. That sucks dick. I think I put my decoy in back. Shit. No, don't care for the water level, that's for sure. I don't. Those look good right there. Yep. Just gotta get this shit done before they all come back. Fucking around. Well, the winds keep looking right away. Okay, so I got my setup. I put a small group of the windsocks out there, where I can't really see them, but it's just to get attention. And then I put a pair of floaters over there, that one real big, that maiden one, and then one of the smaller ones. And then I put this group right here. Although I got three of them a little close together, but hopefully they'll be okay. I mean, when do geese naturally equally space like how people set decoys up? Anyway, when I first come down here, a pair of large Canadas came by here, but I wasn't ready for them, and I don't know. I didn't take a shot. I thought they were a little too far away to shoot at. But if I'd been in place and had all this stuff set up, they may have tried to land here, you know, and I could have had a decent shot. Anyway, it's just past 9, so if any geese are going to come by here, the action should start here pretty soon. The water level is even higher in here than it was. It comes clear up in here. I mean, it almost goes all the way through pretty much. Hard to find a dry place to put myself, unfortunately, but that's how it is. It's been like this 2 years in a row. I'm not sure why. This isn't the ocean, so you can't say, oh, global warming, it's the sea levels rising. That's not it. This is the Columbia River, so. But maybe we had a better snowpack, maybe the aquifer's more full, I don't know. But whatever it is, it's annoying. I liked it better when the level was lower. Well, it's been an hour and nothing yet. You know, usually I see more Arctic terns flying around here because they migrate through here. But this year I'm not seeing them. I usually see them when I'm down here goose hunting during the September season. Either they've already passed through or they haven't come through yet. Well, it's now 2:36, and thus far I've not seen a single goose except for those that pair early this morning when I was approaching the area. So, evidently they've moved to a different part of the river, but I keep hoping maybe some ship traffic or something will shift them. But it's been dead. I mean, there's like no activity. It's really slow. I haven't seen a single barge, stern wheeler, or anything go past here. I've seen a couple of just regular boats, but nothing else. So, seen lots of coot. Several rafts of coots went past here, but they're not in season yet. Well, I'll keep waiting. Maybe something will move. This is a slow time of the day. Things don't usually pick up until around 5 o'clock. Well, it is now 4:35, and I still have not seen a single goose or heard one come by here. So wherever it is they're hiding, there's nothing disturbing them, making them move. I haven't seen a single barge today. No stern wheelers, nothing. Just regular small craft. That's all. And not very many of those. Of course, it is a Tuesday, but I thought I would have seen a barge or something. Do we not ship anything by water anymore? I mean, what's the deal? Or is this part of the wonderful supply chain that we have these days? Who knows? See a lot of trains, especially on the Washington side. That's all. Trains and trucks. Usually, it wouldn't be unusual to see several barges go by in a day. I haven't seen one. It's really odd. So I guess I might as well stay the rest of the day. I mean, it's far enough along now. They'll be flying out to eat again here pretty soon. Maybe some will come by here. Either they'll stage here or they'll cruise past here. Maybe I'll get a shot. Who knows? Oh, finally. It's 4:55 and there's a barge going downriver. First one I've seen the entire day. Hopefully they displace some geese. The geese will shift around. But they're going to be staging for flying out here soon anyway. Well, now it is 5:07 and there's a stern wheeler coming upriver. All the boating activity at the end of the day. But who knows what schedule they're on. That's a tourist thing, so. It's weird when I look at it with binoculars, I don't see anyone outside. You'd think they'd all be standing outside. Probably in there gambling or something. Well, it's 6:04 now, and I still have not seen a single goose come by here, other than that pair this morning. I had till shooting hours in 7:09, but I'm gonna, if I don't see anything by 6:30, I'm probably gonna pick up my decoys, because it's gonna take a while to do all this, and I really don't want to be doing all this stuff clear into darkness. That's kind of a pain in the butt. And usually the geese that are flying out at the end of the day Most of them are flying out, so they just go past here, so the decoys are pointless. Once in a while, you'll get a pair of them that might want to sit down, but generally speaking, they'll be on their way out. But they'll go up or down the river before they turn to go out to the fields sometimes. That's what I'm hoping for. But who knows? I haven't seen, it's almost as though there were no geese here. I didn't kill them all. I know that. I only killed 4 of them. So I know those other guys may have gotten some, but there were plenty of geese still alive when I left here 3 days ago. They evidently have found a safer haven, or when they perceive a safer. One thing about it, my ammunition is going to last a long time. It's almost like turkey hunting. You know, you buy a box of 10 turkey shells and they can last you for years, unless you're a poor shot. And most people are, you know, they might occasionally miss a turkey, but generally speaking, they don't miss too many of them. So yeah, I got to put all this crap away. And as for my electronic hearing protection, I put that one in rice to dry it out. And I tried it out this morning, and you could hear it power up. You could hear it power up, but it was quieter. The volume was low, and it didn't amplify. I turned the volume knob, and it didn't make a difference. So probably gonna have to replace them more than likely. They're not that cheap, but I need those. Because the problem I have with these that don't require batteries, they're great, except they block out 13 decibels with no sound. So I can't hear geese or anything until they're close. And it's a complete joke for turkey hunting. So I really need the others, because those amplify and I can hear birds coming. Those are okay for snow goose hunting, because those things, they're so noisy. You can hear them half a mile away and plenty loud. So we'll see. We got the 6:08. 22 more minutes, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do after that. Okay, I thought I heard a goose downriver. From the sound of it, it sounds to me like it was on the water still, which means they've been hiding out down that way, probably a good quarter mile. But who knows? But if they're going to start getting chatty, that means they're getting ready to fly out. So you never know, they could come past here. And I'm starting to see more and more birds shifting positions. But I still haven't seen any Arctic terns. Last year I was down here, there were a whole bunch of Arctic terns here. They were passing through. And I think the year before they were here too. I'm not seeing them this year, so the weather must be different wherever they're at. They haven't had the cue to come south. Haven't heard any snow geese flying overhead either yet, so they're probably late too. But it can all change in a day or two depending on the weather. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm watching this little teal duck landed next to my decoys and drifts over, and then it flies back over and drifts over again. It may have left. Yeah, looks like they're finding it. Nope, it's still there. It's out with the decoys right now. Yep. Just sitting there. Oh, there it goes again. Yeah, it's going further away. Yep. What time is it? 6:26. 4 more minutes. If I don't hear or see any geese, I'm gonna go out and round up my decoys. Okay, well, it's 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away and get dressed again and head back to the track. I've still got what, 6 or 7 minutes, but it's not looking good at this point. I see no sign of geese anywhere, so most of them are probably already flown out to eat. So the only exception would be maybe a pair of them that wants to sit down right here, like that pair this morning. But I remember why I didn't shoot at them this morning. I didn't have any shells in the gun. I carried it down here unloaded, and they showed up, and I didn't have time to load it. So otherwise, I may have been able to get 1 or 2 of them. But anyway, that's how it goes. Like most boring hunting day ever, practically. But it's still better than a work day. And that's probably, I'm probably not going to be back down here tomorrow. So that's probably it for me for the September goose season in Eastern Oregon. So I'll go back to doves and grouse until everything else opens up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Especially thank you to my patrons for financial support. And until next time, happy hunting.